So here's what I was saying was more complicated. You guys are going to be looking at translating from recursive to explicit. So you are given your recursive, and you need to go ahead and end up writing it into this a of n equals a of 1 plus our common difference to the n minus 1. That's for an arithmetic. I see that this is arithmetic by the way it's written. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and see what your common difference is. That's the d value. You see that that should be, and that is, -2. And you see that your first term is -5. So we're going to go ahead and plug those in, and we need to go ahead and write out our equation. So what we see is that we've got a of n equals -5. It says plus d, but our d is negative, so it'd be -2 times n minus 1. If you go ahead, distribute, and simplify, you'll get a of n equals -5 minus 2n plus 2. 2n plus 2. Let me go ahead and erase what's under it so I can simplify. And we see that my explicit format is a of n equals -3 minus 2n. And that's it for this first one. For b, we see that this is written in 2 times a of n minus 1, so we're looking at a geometric sequence. So we're looking at a of n equals our first term, a of 1, times r to the n minus 1 power. So we see that we have 10 as our first term. Our rate is 2, and it's raised to the n minus 1 power, and that equals a of n. And you're done. And that's it for these two.